Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa hashtag walang pasok. Ito po. Una ay itong proclamation number 1143 declaring Monday, January 26, 2026 a special non-working day in the city of Cadiz, province of Negros Occidental. Ito ay dahil sa January 26, Monday. Ang Cadiz City, Negros Occidental ay mag-celebrate ng kanilang 52nd Dinagsa Festival. Happy Festival dyan sa Cadiz City. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1144 declaring Tuesday, February 3, a special non-working day in the city of Biñan, province of Laguna. Ito ay dahil sa nasabing petsa. Ang Biñan City, Laguna will mark the celebration of its 81st Liberation Day. Happy Liberation Day dyan sa Biñan City. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1145 declaring Thursday, February 26, a special non-working day in the municipality of Buog, province of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ito ay dahil sa nasabing petsa, the municipality of Buog, province of Zamboanga, Sibugay will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary, Anbog Festival. Happy Festival dyan sa Buog, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1146 declaring Saturday naman, February 28, a special non-working day in the municipality of Sarat, province of Ilocos Norte. Ito ay dahil sa February 28, the municipality of Sarat, Ilocos Norte will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa Sarat, Ilocos Norte. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1147 declaring Monday, February 2, a special non-working day in the province of Ilocos Norte. Ito ay dahil sa February 2, 2026, Monday. The province of Ilocos Norte will mark the celebration of its 208th founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary dyan sa buong probensya ng Ilocos Norte. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.